In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can design this product. So first, set up the page. You can change the dimension from here, and instead of CMYK, choose RGB and OK. If you don't have patience to learn, please exit from this video. This video is not for you. By using Shift key, draw a straight line like this. Now draw two more straight lines by using Shift key. Let's draw a curve and join both top and bottom straight line. Move this bottom straight line towards upward. Now select them all and take shape builder tool, change the color and make a shape here. Select corner anchor point by using direct selection tool and drag it and make some curve shape here. Now select the object and make it constant by uniting. Select the object and remove the outline color. Select it again and click on reflection tool. By pressing Alt key, drag the center point to the axis and copy. Now select them both and unite it. Delete all those unnecessary lines apart from main object. Now select the object and use smooth tool and move over the top of the curve and make it smoother like this. Now select the object and make duplicate. So copy, paste in place, press and hold Shift and Alt key, drag it down and make it smaller in size. Change the color. Draw a straight line by pressing Shift key at the bottom. Now bring it little bit down by using arrow key. Now select them. Take shape builder tool, change the color and make a shape at the bottom. Now delete those unnecessary lines. Now duplicate of the object once again. Copy, paste in place. Now remove the fill color and put only outline color. Change the outline color from here. Now select this outline and take scissor tool and cut it at two different points. Now delete this lower part of the outline. Now select this outline and increase the stroke from here. And choose the shape from here. Similarly, select this inner green shape object and make duplicate. Copy, paste in place and remove the fill color and keep outlines only. Now make duplicate of this outline and change the color. Now select this new outline and take scissor tool and cut in two different points. Delete the lower part of the outline. Now select this outline and increase the stroke. Expand it. Now select this, click over direct selection tool and drag it and make curve at the end. Now select black color outline and increase the stroke and expand it too. Select the objects by pressing Alt key, drag it and make duplicate. Do right click on your mouse button and arrange, send it to back. Do selection of top 3 objects by pressing Shift key and take Shape Builder tool, change the color and make shape in the middle. By using Pen tool, let's draw a curve on the lower middle portion of the bag. Now select the curve and increase the stroke and then expand it. Now bring this at the top. Now do multiple selections by using Shift key. Take Shape Builder tool, change the color and make a shape here. Let's draw an ellipse by using Ellipse tool and bring it to here. Rotate it little bit. Select the object, click on Reflection tool, drag the center by using Alt key and copy. Let's draw one more ellipse at the top like this and remove fill color. Hey you, I see you are going to be exhausted. Don't be exhausted at the early stage. Still, we have to do lots of work to design this product. Be patient and learn it. Watch till the end. By using scissor tool, cut the ellipse in 2 different points like this and delete the lower end curve. Now select this and increase the stroke from here. Now select it and expand it. Now again select it and give offset. Here you can decrease the offset size. OK, and change the color so that it would be visible. Now let's draw a circle at the top. You can draw a circle by pressing and holding Shift and Alt key. Now let's draw a straight line by using Shift key. Now select them by using Shift key, take Shape Builder tool, change the color and click here and make a shape. And delete those lower curve. Select this, click on copy, paste in place. Now send it to back by changing color. Use arrow key and take it upward. Now select those two objects to copy, paste in back. Decrease the size by using Shift and Alt key and drag it down. Now send it to back. Drag the ellipse by holding Alt key and make duplicate. Now do selection of multiple objects by holding Shift key. Take Shape Builder tool, press and hold Alt key and delete it. Hey, don't lose your patience. Still we have to do lots of work to design this product. Increase the stroke little bit. Yeah, now it's fine. Take scissor tool and cut it at two different points. Delete those inner curve. Now select this and increase the stroke once again and expand it. Now select this, click on reflection tool and drag the center by pressing Alt key and copy. Now here do multiple selections by pressing and holding Shift key. Take Shape Builder tool, press and hold Alt key and delete it. Let's draw a chain locker by using ellipse tool. Draw an ellipse like this. Now fill the ellipse with color and remove the outlines. Now select this ellipse. Click on direct selection tool and choose the upper node and click over this. Now select those two nodes by pressing Shift key and drag it down. Select rounded rectangular shape and draw a shape here. Now select this rounded rectangular shape and make duplicate. So copy, paste in place, drag it down by using Shift and Alt key and make it smaller in size. And change the color. Now draw a straight line by pressing Shift key. Now select them, take Shape Builder tool, by using Alt key delete it. Select this object and use offset. Select it and remove fill color. Now select the lower object and change the color to black. Now select this and give offset. OK. Change the color. Now drag it towards upward by using arrow key. Let's replace the color of the bag and you can put one logo over here. Now select the object and replace the color. by using eyedropper tool and repeat the steps and replace the color. Ungroup the object and select inner object and change the color. Let's drag company name over the locker. By using Alt key, drag it and make duplicate. You can rotate it little bit like this. Select both the locker and group it. And now drag it and bring it here and place it. Make it smaller in size. By pressing Alt key, drag it and make duplicate. Draw a black background. Now select the object, click on reflection tool. By using Alt key, drag the center and copy. Now draw a rectangle over bottom object. And now use gradient color. Now select both the object and from here choose clipping mask. Now draw a shadow by using ellipse tool. Hope you learned how to design a product. If you like this tutorial, you can like this video, subscribe us and share this video. Thank you.